Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today, in this session, you are going to learn about operators. You are going to learn about operators. Okay. By the end of this class, you are able to learn about some of the arithmetic operations. What are the operators we have, and how to perform operations in these operators. You are able to learn. Okay. Till now, we have discussed about. I'm also opening the course content. So here, till now we have covered all these topics in our previous sessions. What is Python, who and when invented, when it is available to public, installation, okay, limitations, what are the limitations of Python, language fundamentals, data types, and in data types, we have taken fundamental data types and collection data types. Okay, this topic takes more time and days. Okay, now we are going to discuss about operators. We are going to discuss about operators. Okay, without any further delay, let's start our today's session. So here, today's topic is operators. Operators. Okay, let's next. What is an operator first? What is an operator? Operator is a symbol that performs certain operations. Operator is a symbol that performs certain operations. We have different kinds of operators, and the first one in that is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. I'm going to write here that one. First one, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators we have? We have different kinds of arithmetic operators. Those are addition, comma, subtraction, uh, multiplication, division, and percentile. Wait for a minute. Percentile, double slash, comma, next one, double star. I will tell you about these in today's session. Okay. First one, for understanding this, we have to go for practical. So I had opened an ideally for doing these arithmetic operations. By doing practicals, then we can understand, we are able to understand the subject properly. So here I am going to take one variable. That variable name is called a equal to 10. I am taking, and then I am taking b equal to 2. Next one, I'm adding these numbers. Okay, I'm adding these numbers. A plus b. b is equal to 12. Okay, this is an addition operation, but we are doing these operations in Python, not in calculator, not in uh, our code. Okay, so here I am everything operations are done in Python by using ideally. Okay, next I am doing a minus b. A minus I means subtraction, but 8. Now I am multiplying a with b. A with b. Okay, and also I am giving a percentile of b 0. Okay, and a dash b equal to 5.0. Here there is a difference between single slash and a double slash. Okay, I will tell you what is the difference between these single slash and a double slash. Now I am also giving the same time a double slash b. So this is the difference. A slash b gives only float values, but a double slash will give integer values also. Okay, but a double slash b will give the output as integer or any other. Depends upon the input. I Okay, let's wait and see. I will tell you in a brief way. Okay, it is stable. So here a double star means square, a power. Okay, 10 square, I mean 10 to the power 2 or 10 square. So 10 into 10 100, 10 into 10 100. That is what it is giving. Okay, these are nothing but arithmetic operations. These are nothing but arithmetic operations. Now I am doing the performance directly without taking the variable a or b. Okay, for this I am taking 10 double slash 2. So the output will be 5, and I'm giving the float values. Till now we are giving only integers. Now I'm doing this operation with the float values. Float means 0, 0.1, like that we can provide. Okay, 10.0, 10.0 double slash 2. Now, so if you give the float values as inputs for this operation, then it will also give the float values only. So here we had given only integer, that's why it has given only integer value. But here we had also given float value, that's why the output also float. That is the difference between single slash and double slash. Okay, next I'm going to print all these in our clearly class nodes. Copy a slash b. Next, 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 next. I am going to provide the output here. Sorry, here not. So here this is output. So here delete. But I want to give spaces for this for better understanding. So before hash mark is the input. These are their associated respected outputs. Okay. Next, I'm going to write the note for this one because of this single slash and double slash. So single slash will give float values, but double slash will give integers only, but depends upon the type of input we have given. If we give float values as inputs for this a double slash b, then it will also print float values. I'm going to write the note for that one. So here operator always performs floating point floating floating point arithmetic floating point arithmetic. Hence it will always hence it will always returns float value float value. Next point, but floor floor division floor division can perform both floating point float both floating. So here let me say that f can perform both floating point and integral arithmetic. If args are int type, then result is int type. If at least one argument is float type, then the result is float type. Then the result is float type. So in while writing the nodes, sometimes f may be missed because f is not working properly sometimes, but it's okay. uh, if args and int type, wait, I want to give this is also as okay. Yeah, if args and int type, then if args are int type, then result is int type. If at least one argument is float type, then the result is float type. Okay, if you give float type, then it will give float type as output. Okay, next. So here I'm going to add one string with the integer. One string with the integer. Let us see. I want to open fresh ideally. Give me a minute. It will open. So yeah, here I'm giving one string. String is Sunny plus 3. So what it will give? It will give error. It will give error because this string and integer not type integer data types can't be added. Can't be added. Okay. Next, I want to multiply the above example. I'm taking again string and one integer, string and one integer. So here Sunny star 3. What it will happen? 3 times it will print Sunny, Sunny, Sunny. Let's try 3 multiply with the string Sunny. See whether it will accept or not. Sunny. So Sunny multiply with 3 is accepting, means 3 multiplication with Sunny is also accepting. Okay, it will accept. Next, I want to multiply string with the float data type. String with the float data type. For that, I am taking one Sunny multiply with 2.5. Whether it will accept? No, it will not accept. It won't accept. Okay, it will give error because one string and one float value will not accept. Will not accept. Okay, now I want to write the notes for this. Example. These are the previous examples we have taken. 10 by 2, what it has given 5.0, and 10 double slash 2, what it has given 5. Now 10, one float value divided by 2, what it has given 5.0, because we had given initially one float values also, that's why it has given 5.0. Next, I had given 10.0 double slash 2, what it will give? It will also give 5.0 only. So these are the outputs for these. Okay, these are the inputs and their associated outputs. Next, I'm going to write the notes for this one. One note point, note. If we want to use plus operator, mean addition operator, for str, str means string type, then the both args should be string type only, otherwise you will get an error, or it will give an error. It will give an error. It will give an error. Next thing, example. What we have taken, these are the examples we have taken. So here is the first example, and next example what we have taken, both strings. First one, it is a string, it is an integer, and second example we have taken, you have not taken, huh? Okay, let's try. Sunny so here output is Sunny 3. So if both are strings, then it will give output as Sunny 3. If one is string and another one is integer, then it won't give output. It will give error as its output. Okay. Next. So here Sunny plus 3. It is an invalid condition. Second thing, valid. That is the output is this one. Okay. Next, what we have taken another examples. These are the other examples we have taken. So I am pasting here the practical live examples only. So the output for this is it valid or invalid? Sunny stars 3. It's an valid condition only. Next one also valid condition only. This is the only one invalid condition. Okay. So this is also same. And this one is an invalid condition. Invalid. Okay. Invalid. Okay. Next. Next. For taking another inputs and another examples, I'm opening the fresh IDLE. Give me a minute. Next. I'm taking 10 by 0. What it will give? It is an invalid condition. It will give 0 division error and 10% 0. It is also 0 division error. But in other programming languages, it will give output, but in Python, it won't give output. It will give 0 division error as it shown here. Okay. Now I am going to print this. I am also going to give these examples in our live class notes. Note for any number x any number means any kind of number, not only 10 or not only 0. Okay. Something by 0 means x by 0 and x% 0. Like we have taken 10 by 0 and 10% 0, right? 10% 0 always rise always rise 0 division error. Zero division error. Sorry, jet is not table. Zero division error. Examples are 10 by 0, comma 10% 0. 10% 0. Okay. This is about operators, that too from arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Okay, today we have learned about what are the arithmetic operators we have, and how to perform operations by using these arithmetic operators. What are the valid conditions, what are the invalid conditions, what type of inputs we can give, what it will give the output if we give different kinds of input, and how to give input. Okay, all these we have learned in this today's session. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this session, then please comment below. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for